that means.
Ayo, what's good, you guys? It's Jason, week 16 into FPV. I'm here at the Hidden Falls Regional Park. It's a beautiful recreational park, all sorts of fun activities, horseback riding, mountain biking, all that fun stuff. We're gonna do some cool hiking stuff and then fly some drones. Let's go, woo! Here we go, Hidden Falls Trail. Waterfalls 1.5 miles that way. Woof! All right, we're going down the Legacy way. Let's get it. Already beautiful views, nice rolling hills, beautiful. Gotta love California. There's so many locations, so amazing. When I pulled up, I saw people getting on their horses and stuff. So much fun. All right, we're gonna walk for a little bit, and then we're gonna try to see if we can find a place to post up, fly a little bit. Woo! Let's get it. We're still walking, starting to get into the thick of something here. Just a long trail to kind of get to the waterfall spot. But yeah, it's really nice. Just enjoying the hike so far. Really pretty rolling hills. Nothing too crazy yet to showcase, but yeah. Got these cool flowers and stuff on these. Everything's blooming because it's springtime. Got the birds going. Pretty cool. This is just a nice little regional park. It's not even a state park, so it's kind of just like a recreational area. Probably get away with whatever you want. So people are riding their horses, people are riding bikes and stuff, running. It's cool. Love it. Keep going. Here we go. We're at a pretty cool spot. There's a bridge right here, and then we got this really cool water feature. Check this out. This little like spillway with the vent, with the crate. And then more this way. Pretty sweet spot. Mr. Lizard. This might be a good one for the little man. All these tight little gaps. See if we can post up and not disturb any of these bikers and stuff and the people doing the horseback riding. Let's go. All right, I'm onto the bridge. I'm gonna post up with the little guy and fly around for a second. Let's go. Plugging in. You know what that means? Woohoo! Let's go. Too much fun with the little guy. Oh my God. Flying through those tiny little gaps. All right. We're gonna keep going. There's supposed to be another waterfall up this way. Waterfall access across bridge. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Let's send it, you guys. Woo! More packs. Trails this way. Still hiking. Got the water next to me. Nice little creek. And then we're just walking up this trail. Very nice and pretty. Cool temperature. Really beautiful day. Not too windy, finally. Can finally hear me talking. But yeah, we're gonna keep on walking up this way until we find the water feature. And then we're gonna try to do some cool cinematic shots with the big guy probably at that one. Try to do some acrobatic tricks. Let's see. Here we go, we're starting to get somewhere. We got this cool, the cool river runoff from the waterfall down there. It's cool. We're gonna keep going up this way to try to find the waterfall, but it looks like somebody's having a school trip. So let's try to figure that out. Let's go. Woo, it's a cool spot. Thinking about it, thinking about it. Woohoo, I'm at the top. Certainly thinking about it. This will be hella cool. I want to get in a good spot. You know what that means? All right, we're back on the trail some more. We're gonna keep going this way. There's supposed to be a bridge. It'd be really cool. I wanna try to power loop it. Hopefully my motors are still working up to 100% capacity after landing them in some waterfall water, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Woo! More stuff, let's go. Woohoo! Found another spot. I got a little waterfall over there. And then over this way, I got a bridge I should be able to do a power loop on. Woo! Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Let's go, guys. All right, I did a test. I'm probably gonna regret this really bad, but it's flying. I'm gonna try. Woohoo! Let's go! The water didn't cause no problems, man. All right. Man, I love this bridge. That was so much fun. I've always wanted to power loop a bridge. I can't believe I finally did it. Twice, too. Smooth. Smooth. Sweet! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Getting better every single week. Always important to follow signs and read the map, you guys, so you don't get lost. This way. Back on the main trail, almost back to the car. Woo! Another amazing week of FPV. So much fun. I feel like I really pushed the boundary this time doing the power loop, especially after landing in the water. So the motor wasn't even working all the way. But yeah, those waterfalls were beautiful, just the little ones. It's really cool. Amazing park. Not even a state park. Crazy. Well, I'll see you back at the car. Woo! All right, you guys, I made it back to the car. That's gonna do it for this week's video. Woo! If you made it all the way till the end, make sure you smash the like button because you know it helps the algorithm. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe because you know there's more content coming. Woo! Peace, guys.